Everyone says AI is about to take your job. But here's truth no one tells you. AI can win Math Olympiads and still cannot do basic real work. After this video, you will learn what AI is great at, what humans are still better at, and why most jobs aren't going anywhere anytime soon. If you are worried about the AI threatening your work, this is the video for you. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Celine Xu. I help business professionals and organizations make smart decisions about AI and AI adoption, so technology creates real value instead of risk. Let's dive in. The real problem with the AI fear narrative. AI isn't replacing jobs. Workflow re-engineering replacing jobs. And it takes mature technology, lower costs, organizational change, and years of adoption. The history tells us again how long it takes society adopt to a steam engine, how long it takes the society adopt to electricity. AI hasn't crossed that threshold yet. In fact, most AI today only works when the world is clean, structured, and predictable. But the real world is none of those things. So what AI is actually good at? AI shines when the problem is clearly defined. There is right answer. Success is easy to measure. That is why models dominate benchmarks, exams, standardized tasks, short, isolated problems. This is why an AI can ace coding challenge, solve math proofs, generate perfect-looking reports. But that doesn't mean it understands the real work. Here is the quote that says it all. AI can win Math Olympiads, but still struggle to parsing PDFs. That's not a joke. That's a reality. You may ask, why real work breaks AI? The real work is messy, ambiguous, incomplete, full of edge cases, unpredictable. Think about your job. You're dealing with uncertain goals, missing informations, broken tools, conflict inputs, long chain of decisions, and a lot of networks. AI fails here because it needs the problem defined, the process defined, and human define the problem. AI is incredible at problem solving. Humans do something harder, problem defining. We decide what matters, what to ignore, what success actually means, when having trade-off, which to prioritize. Most knowledge work lives here. AI can't do this autonomously or just based on most common learning. And until it can, it can't replace you. Here is the line that predicts whether AI will affect your job. Are you preserving value or creating it? If your job is summarizing, templating, formatting, standardizing, checking, AI will eventually replacing that. But if your job is synthesizing ideas, making judgment calls, creating new insights, connecting dots others don't see, AI become a tool, not a replacement. That's why AI replaces average work first, not the great work. When researchers drop AI into real environments, Slack, tools, database, long workflows, it collapses. Why? Because early mistakes compound, tools breaks, accidents happen, context shifts. Humans recover in those situations, but AI doesn't. This is why humans are still essential in the loop. The danger isn't just AI replacing humans. The danger is training AI on the wrong incentives. Leaderboards reward flashy answers, long response, confident over correctness. That trains AI to chasing attention, not truth. And that makes human more important, not less. If you want to be AI resilient, first, get better at problem framing. Second, build judgment and taste. Third, focus on value creation. 4, use AI as a leverage, not a crutch. I won't replace humans so soon, but it will expose who was never doing real thinking in the first place. If this helped you clarify the noise about AI, hit the like button and subscribe for more. And remember, the future doesn't belong to the people who fear AI. It belongs to the people who understand it clearly.